In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a proposal in Stack. Let's dive right in, starting from the very beginning of this straightforward process. To kick off, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Stack login page. Once you're there, your next step will be to click on the Login with Google button. This makes it quick and seamless, leveraging your Google account credentials to enter the platform. After signing in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Simply select your desired account and you'll be redirected to the Stack dashboard. With access to your dashboard, locate and click on the project you wish to work on. Projects should be listed for you, making it easy to find the one you're interested in. Once you've opened your project, look for and click on the Estimates tab. This section is key because it holds the estimates from which you'll generate the proposal. Next, find the estimate you've already created and click on it. This action will take you into the detailed view of that particular estimate. From here, your next stop is the worksheet view. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now turn your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where three dots appear. Clicking these dots will open up additional options for you to explore. Select Export from the list of available choices, and then click on XLS Proposal. This export option is ideal for generating your proposal in a format that's flexible and widely usable. With your proposal now in an XLS format, the next task involves editing the data layout. Simply navigate through and make adjustments as needed, ensuring your proposal reflects the necessary details. In addition to editing the data layout, you'll want to tweak some additional information. Pay close attention to the details here, filling in any requisite fields that the system might not automatically populate. After that, edit the trade name, ensuring it aligns with the relevant business specifics. Now turn your focus to adding customer details to your proposal. Here include the customer's contact info, like the company name, address, email, and phone number. This ensures clarity and precision in the final proposal. You'll also want to properly outline the scope of work. It's often beneficial to use pre-made templates for this section, enabling quick and consistent entries each time. Fast forward to the terms and conditions. Enter these details either manually or by using handy templates for efficiency. These templates can save you a lot of time while still conveying all necessary legal disclaimers. One last addition is the signature line. Check to ensure it's included, but if your proposal doesn't require it, you can simply opt out by unchecking the box. Finally, with everything in place, your last step is to click on Download. And just like that, you have your proposal ready to share. Feel free to go back to make any adjustments if necessary. That's it for creating a proposal in Stack, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful.